In the wild South African savannah, you will find many beautiful creatures. Is that a man lying on the roof of a house? Absurd. Anyway, as I was saying, the savannah is full of beautiful creatures from very different origins. Take this Homo sapien son, for example. He is, I'm not actually sure what he is doing. Oh, he's trying to use the board as a mode of transportation. As you can see, these creatures are of a very high intelligence. Oh, he's just fallen off. Yes. So, as I was saying, these creatures are of a very high intelligence. And, oh my goodness, he has just fallen off again. Please stand by while we try to find another creature of the South African savannah to cut to. Oh, I've just gotten word that tourist Homo sapien mother is also trying to use the board as a mode of transportation. She is doing quite well. Very good. Okay, now let's look at... What? We're out of time. What do you mean we are posting 3 short videos today? This is a nature documentary, and I had better be getting paid